Good morning everyone, good afternoon and good evening. This is Mako with a capital M, the magician. So sorry, no tricks for today. So what I have here today is a challenge for you to solve. So I've arranged a cotton buds. So what we have here is 9 pieces of cotton buds, and out of these 9 pieces of cotton buds, I made 3 equilateral triangles. So the challenge is that out of these 3 triangles, we must move 3 cotton buds in order to form 5 equilateral triangles. If you want to challenge yourself, just pause this video and try it yourself. But if you are stupid enough, so just watch just wait for the answer. So the answer will be, so you will see the answer after in the ending of this video. So okay guys, good luck. I'm about to show you the answer to this challenge, to this puzzle. So again, the problem is from 3 triangles we have to move 3 cotton buds in order to form 5 triangles, 5 equilateral triangles. So the first move is this one. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. So just confirmation, we will count the number of triangles. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is bigger one. So it's easy.